Good morning students. Now we are going to see exercise 1.6 question number 4. The first question, 2 by 5 whole power 4 into 5 by 2 whole power minus 2. So we need to simplify this one by using the exponential law. We know that the previous class we have seen about the laws. Now we need to simplify this one. First we can write this term as 2 by 4 by 5 by 4. If the power is common to both, to the number which is in denominator and the numerator, so we have to take the power to separately numerator and the denominator, so that it will becomes 2 power 4 divided by 5 power 4 into, we know that a power minus m we can write as 1 divided by a power m. That is, we can write this one, in order to change this one as a positive power, the reciprocal it will come. Okay, so 2 by 5 whole power 2 it will. Okay, so 5 by 2 whole power minus 2 will becomes 2 by 5 whole power 2. Now we can write the second term. First term we have to keep as it is. We have to write the second term as 2 power 2 divided by 5 power 2. Same procedure what we done here, same thing we have to do. That is, we have to take the power to the numerator and then denominator separately. Now we have in numerator 2 power 4 into 2 power 2. If it is the common base, if it is multiplying, we have to add the power. So the answer is 2 power 6. 4 plus 2, 2 power 6. To the denominator, 5 power 4 into 5 power 2. Same thing we have to add the power. So it will becomes 5 power 6. Now the answer is 2 power 6 divided by 5 power 6. Now we have to express this term. 2 power 6 we have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is, we have to multiply 2 6 times. Divided by 5 power 6, that is, we have to multiply 5 in 6 times. When we multiply, we will get the answer 64 divided by 15,625. If it is a power is more than 7, more than 8, we need no need to express. If it is a power is below 5 or somewhat is 6, we can express like this. Okay. Next question number 2. The given question is 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole power minus 3. First we have to change the power negative into the positive power. For that we have to write, you have to use the formula a power m equal to 1 divided by a power minus m equal to 1 divided by a power n. That is, the reciprocal of the term will come. So 4 by 5 whole power 2 will be changed as 5 by 4 whole power 2, division as it is. Then here the term will be changed as 5 by 4 whole power plus 3. Now we need to take separate power. So 5 by 2 divided by 4 by 2 divided by 5 by 3 by 4 by 3. Now we have same base, different power. Here it is multiplication, so we have to subtract the power. So 5 power 2 minus 3 divided by 4 power 2 minus 3. Now 5 power 2 minus 3, 5 power minus 1. Same thing, 4 power 2 minus 3, 4 power minus 1. Now we can write this one 5 by 4 whole power minus 1. Same formula we can use to change the power into the positive. So that 5 by 4 whole power minus 1 will be changed as 4 by 5 whole power plus 1. For that we can write simply 4 by 5. If it is power 1, it is simply we can write as 4 by 5. Okay. Next question, subdivision 3, do as your homework. Next we are going to see the question number 5. First subdivision in question number 5, 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 square. First we know the formula a power 0 equal to 1. Anything power 0 is 1. By using this we can write 5 power 0 as 1 plus 6 power minus 1. In order to remove the power in negative, we have to write the reciprocal. So 1 by 6 whole power 1. So it is changed as 1 by 6. Here power is 1, so no need to write the power. Into 3 square we must keep as it is. First we have to simplify the terms which is in bracket. So 1 plus 1 by 6. We have to take the LCM 6. Here nothing is there, so we have to put 6 plus 1. So the answer is 7 by 6. Now 1 plus 1 by 6 will be 7 by 6 into 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9. Now we need to multiply 7 into 9 divided by 6. Now we can simplify the terms. By using 3 we can cancel this one. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now 7 into 3 21 divided by the term is 2. So this is our final answer. Hope you understand. Next subdivision 2. The question is 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. We can write 2 power minus 1 as 1 by 2 plus 3 power minus 1 as 1 by 3 divided by 6 power minus 1 as 1 by 6. Now we have to add this one first. So if you add, we have to take a LCM. 6 will be the LCM. 2 3s are 6. So 3 plus 2 here divided by 1 by 6 as it is. When we add 3 plus 2, the answer is 5 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. So normal rational number division, we have to change the division into the multiplication, and we must write the reciprocal of the second term. So it is 1 by 6 will be changed as 6. Now 6 will be cancelled. So our answer is only 5. Next subdivision 3, do as your homework. Next question number 6. First subdivision 3 square whole power 3 into 2 into 3 power 5 whole power minus 2 into 18 power 2. So the power rule we have to use a power m whole power n. If it is like, we have to multiply a power m into n. So 3 power 2 into 3. So 3 power 2 into 3 6. So the term is 3 power 6. For this term we have used the power rule. So it like 3 power 6. Now into, we have to take the power to two terms separately. So 2 power minus 2 into 3 power 5 into minus 2. Same power rule. 5 into minus 2, the value is minus 10 into 18 square. Here the terms are 3 powers of the base are in 3 and 2. So we have to change 18 in terms of 3 and 2. So how can we change? Very simple. We can write 18 prime factorization. By using prime factorization, we can write 18 as 2 power 1 3 power 2. 2 power 1 3 power 2. Here the power is 2. So if you raise the power 2, here 2 power 2 and 3 power already here 2. Again 1 2, the value should be 3 power 2 into 2 4. Hope you understand. Now we have to take the common base, we have to add, because every terms are in multiple. So we have to take and then we have to add the common terms. First I pick 2 alone. So here 2 power minus 2 into 2 power plus 2. Keep this term into. Next we have to take 3 power. We have to add every powers. So 3 minus 10 plus 4. Now 2 power minus 2 plus 2. Am I right? Minus 2 plus 2 into 3 power. Here if you are adding means 6 plus 4 10. 10 minus 10. Now 2 power minus 2 plus 2 value 2 power 0. And 3 power 10 minus 10, the value is 3 power 0. So anything power 0 value 1 into 1. So that the answer is 1. Hope you understand. Next subdivision 2 and 3, do as your homework. Next question number 7. The given question is solve for x. 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 equal to 4. Here the term is in denominator and then numerator the same power. So it like division, so we have to subtract the power. Okay, so that what will be happen, 2 power 2x minus 1 as it is, this power will be subtracting. So if it is moves to the numerator, the value should be, it is x plus 2, so value should be minus x minus 2, which is equal to, here the base is 2, so we have to write 4 as base of 2, so 2 into 2 will be 4, so we can write 4 as 2 power 2, so 4 will be 2 power 2. Now we have to add these powers. What will be the powers? 2x minus x, the power is x, 2x minus x, the power is x, and minus 1 minus 3, the minus 2, the power is minus 3. So when we simplified this one, we get the power 2 power x minus 3, which is equal to 2 power 2. Now the base is common, so the power is also common, so we have to equate the power. We will get x minus 3 equal to 2. Now we need x value, so we have to take this minus 3 to the RHS. We will get 2. If it is minus 3 moving to the RHS, it will change as plus 3. So x equal to 2 plus 3, 5. Hope you understand. Do the question number subdivision 2, 7, subdivision 2 as your homework. I will meet you next class. Thank you so much, children.